Hey, it's Michelle from Goodness Gracious Gluten Free, and today I'm going to be making this roasted tomatillo salsa, and I'm going to put it in the smoker, and I'm going to smoke the tomatillos, onions, the garlic, and the peppers at 225 in the smoker for about an hour or so until they're just slightly soft. I'm going to take the tomatillos, and I'm going to take the husk off the outside and give them a good wash. Now I'm going to set my smoker to 225 degrees. We're going to chop them in half, and then we'll put them on the parchment-lined baking sheet. I put all the veggies, the peppers, I have serrano and jalapeno, and then all the tomatillos, garlic, and onions on trays lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to throw them all in the smoker. See you in about an hour. Let's pull these off of the smoker, and I actually forgot about them for a minute and left them out there for about 2 hours, but you can see that beautiful smoke ring on the onions. So now I'm just going to throw them in the oven on broil just to blister the tops of them to get a little more of that charred flavor. So now that I blistered the tops, I'm going to start making the salsa. I'm going to work in batches by putting a little bit of each ingredient in there, as well as some cilantro, lime juice, salt, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, so now that I have the veggies in there, I added some cilantro. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of lime juice to start, and then I can add more if I need to based on taste, and then a nice pinch of salt. And now I'm going to blend it all up. So now that I have all the batches blended together, I actually didn't add all of my jalapenos because I thought it was a little bit too spicy, but I did add some more lime juice and some more salt to the batch and gave it another stir, and it made quite a bit of salsa, as you can see. So if you want your salsa a little bit sweeter, like some of the restaurants serve it, you can go ahead and add a little bit of honey to it and it will be perfect. Now it's ready to eat with your chips or to give out to friends or add to other dishes. Enjoy!